keep getting audio voice glitches or voice chat not working on Call of Duty games? Don't worry, in today's video, we will show you how you can solve this voice chat not working on Call of Duty by using your iPhone. So, let's get started. Before doing anything, make sure to check your Call of Duty voice chat settings. Open Call of Duty game. After coming to the game lobby, tap on the gear icon, and now tap on audio and graphics. Now here, you can see three options: graphics, audio, and effect. Then tap on audio. Scroll down. Now you need to find the voice chat, microphone, and team voice volume, and ensure that it's turned up to 100. Then close the page and check whether your issue is solved or not. Otherwise, try our next solution. Solution 2. Check your microphone permissions. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on Privacy and Security, and find the microphone. Tap on it. Ensure that all the microphone options are enabled. Solution 3. Offload the Call of Duty game. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General, now tap on iPhone Storage. Find the Call of Duty game. Tap on it. Tap on the Offload the app button, and tap Offload again. Now reinstall the app and check your problem whether it's fixed or not. So, this is how you can solve the voice chat not working on your Call of Duty game. After that, if you still have any kind of issues, then please ask me in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.